Round 4. See if we can get this done. We're trying to make homemade noodles. And now I don't know how long I've been rolling this for, but it's supposed to be 10 minutes. And then you got to put in a bowl. It's supposed to be saran wrap. We don't have that, so we're going to use tin foil.
Also known as aluminum foil.
I hope everybody knows what tin foil is.
Some people don't. You don't assume. I didn't know what it was. I was looking for it because everything I saw said aluminum foil. So,
Okay.
I mean, don't assume. Do you need a timer for like 6 minutes?
No.
Oh, you can watch the timer on the live, the recording.
And it does make a big mess, so I suggest if you have wax paper or something put down, do it.
Hi everyone. Again, this is Rose's 1722. Sorry for earlier. Hope you have a good one. And welcome. And hello. On this timer, you're at like 2 or 3 minutes.
2. Really close.
Well, I couldn't read it, so.
I think our daughter might be getting tired.
Yeah, because normally she don't just, I mean, like, she has her moments any day, but I think she's just tired and just upset because she wanted to do it all, and it don't work like that.
It's hard to make a ball, 2 people trying to do it. With both people, with pieces in their hands.
That's true.
We never had split an egg either around her, so actually that's my first time ever splitting an egg and getting the yolk out, so I've seen it done 100 times, but I've never actually done it.
Do you want me to help do that? Just show
Yes,
me what to
please.
do one-handed.
All I can tell you is just sit there and just try to,
I'm doing like that.
something like that, yeah.
If y'all have seen any of our previous videos, you'll see that, you know, I'm not mean to my kids. I love my kids.
I love
But
her to death, but yeah.
Maddie, she just has her moments where she just don't listen. I don't care what we say, how nice we can be, how sweet, or how even mean.
Yeah, she has
But she
high
doesn't-
attention disorder, so
She
just
has
like that.
ADHD, and we don't know what else. So eventually, hopefully, we find the solution. That's the only thing I can
We're
hope
still
and pray
trying to
for.
get her in to see a doctor over it all.
Hopefully, something happens in her February appointment, y'all.
I know y'all see these parents are thinking it makes it look easy. It's not.
Reason I'm one-handed, in case y'all want to know, I cut my finger cutting potatoes
A couple of nights ago.
a couple nights ago, and then cut my top of my hand. What was that, yesterday?
I think so. Somehow in the refrigerator.
Yep, I'm trying to get some milk out. Maddie is in my way, and they get the milk out. Well, you were doing a good job.
No, thank you. And I'm sorry for everybody. I should have lost my cool, but
You didn't really lose your cool. You were just handling it because I deleted the video so y'all can't see it later because I don't want to embarrass my family. But for those that were there, Johnny Small Pepper, Dustin, and Cody. Sorry. Anyone else that saw that just wasn't saying nothing. Again, I'm sorry.
No, we're not doing a live this time because I don't know how my daughter might come in here again. And our daughter.
I was about to say. I say my daughter too, so no biggie. You look like you're a professional dough maker.
I mean, I messed with dough before, but never
You
knew
still
it was.
look professional.
I guess we're gonna need a bowl, which is in the water.
No, we got one right here. We'll just use this one. Oh, you got that again.
Yeah. Now, y'all, I'm not gonna make y'all sit here and wait for no hour, wait for this to get ready to flat out cut. But, so it's only a part 5.
We gotta let it sit a whole hour. And like I said, I don't know if I've said it on this one. Tell them that I'll attach the recipe.
And she said, oh yeah, this recipe came off of
PBS Kids.
PBS Kids. She's gonna attach it to the video when we get it up and going. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. And for the ones that did see the live, I am sorry for how everything went.
So we let it sit in the bowl for 45 minutes. Now we are rolling it out. Really, are you gonna argue with me? I said it for the time. Now we're rolling it out, and we're using pizza cutter. Cut it up. You can cut size you need, and then boil your noodles. And then till they're done, you know, they'll be soft. Not too soft though. Y'all have a good one. Thank you. This is the Roses 1722.